I'm going to an Easter party, so my mum is going to put a bunny rabbit in my hair.
I am! So to do that, what I've started with is I've put her hair up into a ponytail, and I've got a tutorial for the perfect ponytail on my YouTube channel. I will put a link to that tutorial in the description box below. But just talking you through it quickly, with her hair, she's got a lot of hair, and to help it stay nice and secure through the day and stop dropping, I take it from the ears and I do a top ponytail. And then if you can see, you can see almost there, that it's like two ponytails, isn't it? So I then bring the bottom part up, join it to that top ponytail, and then tie the whole thing together. That way, this top one acts a bit like an anchor, and then we stop. I don't know if you've ever noticed your girls, they sometimes get like a bit of a bulge here, and that's because of the weight pulling it down. You get a bulgy bit there. But anyway, so that's in a different tutorial, and I can put a link to that. So that's how we started. We just started with a basic ponytail, just like this. And I've been busy shopping on Amazon, and I've bought this little set. So in this set here, it comes with an Easter hairband, like ears. They're quite cute. And it also comes with a little rabbit's tail, and or I don't know, or maybe a rabbit nose. I'm not really sure what this bit is, but we're going to use it as a nose. And then it also comes with a little bow tie to go underneath. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or not. I then also bought a pipe cleaners. What do you think we bought pipe cleaners for? What does the rabbit have?
It has hair.
Whiskers! Little whiskers. So you're going to have whiskers on it. And something else I bought. So I bought some big goggly eyes. And so that they go in the hair, what I've done is I have just put a piece of paper through a clip, and I've glued it on so that I can pin those into her hair in a little moment. Should we get started? Yeah. Right, we're going to take that off. Because they're not going to be worn as a hairband, they're going to go around the button. Because for this style, we're not going to make this part look like an Easter bunny. We're going to make the back of her hair look like an Easter bunny. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this ring donut through the ponytail like this. I've also got a tutorial for how I do the perfect bun as well. But for now, if I just show you, I just section through the middle. And I do like to be perfect, so I just kind of just make sure that I've got a nice equal part going through the middle of the bun. Can you see like that? So it's split really nicely now. And now what I do, because she's got such a lot of hair, if I was to just put it over her hair like this and then bobble it, tie it off, there's so much hair that you have to wrap around and around and around, and it ends up bringing the bun further away from her head. So what I do is I take this top part of the hair and I wrap it around the bun, and I take this bottom part and I wrap it around the bun as well. So I'll show you. So I'm going to just pull it out to about here. Okay. So I'm going to take my fingers through the donut, like so, and I'm going to reach for this tail, and I'm going to pull it through. And then I'm going to reach through again, catch it, and pull it through. So I'm just wrapping it around the bun. These little tails, I'm going to just tuck them in here. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same process with the bottom part of her hair. So I'm going to put my fingers through and reach for the hair. I will do in a minute. And I'm going to reach for this hair again, like so. And then this little end here, I'm just going to tuck it in there. I'm now going to, or just tuck those bits back in there. I'm just going to fold it in on itself like this. Just as I go, I'm just making sure that I'm tucking in any loose bits of hair. So I'm just wrapping the bun in on itself, turning it all the way in. And so now this is a really secure bun because the hair is wrapped around the bun. We haven't got loads of hair all around the outside of it. So just to keep all the flyaways, I'm just going to pull that over. Just try and keep them down. Use a little bit of spray as well. Just going to use these big pins, and I'm going to just take one from the top, hook, and then sort of scoop it in like that. Just catching the donut as I go. Just catching the bottom of that donut and just sliding it in. So for the nose, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this around the centre of my pipe cleaners. I'm just going to wrap it around a few times. Just secure them all together. So I'm just tying the elastic to the nose I'm going to use.
You do know you can only see your mouth.
Yeah, I just want to show what is on what I'm doing with my hands really. So just go around a few times, there we go. And then what I need to do is I'm going to add this pin to the
nose.
There we go, just going to thread it through so it's like this. And if you can turn around, pop it, good girl. I'm then going to put the hairpin into the bun, right in the centre like that. Push it in. There we go. And then, oh, let's fix these whiskers. There we go, so I've got my whiskers in now. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put the headband on. I'm going to put the headband around the bun, like this. And I quite like this because from the back, you've got the Easter bunnies starting to appear, but also from the front, you've got the bunny ears. So it's nice, you can see it on both sides. Just open those ears out a bit because they're a bit squashed from being in the packet. Oh, it does look cute. And the last thing, we're going to add these eyes just to the bun. So I'm going to slide one here, and I'm going to slide one in here, like so. So we're going to do the final twirl of our bunny rabbit. There we go. And just to make the whole look even cuter, here we go. What do you think?
Great.
Yeah!
Cool.
You do look very cool. There you go. So one little Easter rabbit. So thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you like it. If you wanted any of these bits and pieces, they were easily bought on the internet. But I know since wandering around the shops this time of year, there's loads of things. I didn't need to get them on the internet. I could have just walked into any shop pretty much and bought them. These glasses here were £1 from a pound shop. How cool are they? Really like those. So if you like this, let us know. Leave us a comment. Please subscribe to our channel and you'll see the next tutorial coming very soon.
Subscribe.
We try and post quite regularly, don't we? And have a happy Easter. So take care. Bye.
Hope you get lots of chocolate.
Definitely.